Jai Gurudev. In this video, we'll see how to divide an expression and also how to verify it. Let us start with a simple example. 9 divided 4. In this, we find that 4 into 2 are 8. So, 9 minus 8, 1. Here this 9 is called dividend. 2 is called quotient. 1 is called the remainder. And the number by which we have divided, that is 4, we call divisor. So this is the first step of dividing. Now we'll see how to verify it. For verification, we have one formula, that is dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Now we'll apply this formula to verify our division. Now let us check. Dividend equal to divisor. Now here the divisor is 4 into quotient is 2. Remainder is 1. We get 4 into 2 is 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1, 9. Therefore, dividend equal to, we find 9. Here also we see that the dividend is 9. So that means we have verified our division. Hence, verified. Now let us see the first textual question, which is 36p square minus 12p plus 10 divided 3p minus 1. Here the first step that we have to follow is, we'll see the number of terms. Here we find that there are 3 terms, first term, second term and third term. Out of these 3 terms, we'll see which term has got highest power variable. Here we find p square, where p is a variable. Then we get p to the power 1, where p is a variable, and here only 10, that means no variable. So if we compare all these 3 terms, we find that first term, which is 36p square, has got the highest power variable. So we'll try to cancel this highest power variable first. To cancel this highest power variable, we have to multiply with this divisor 3p minus 1 in such a manner that 36p square get cancelled. So let us see how to cancel it. 3, if I consider this integer number first, this is 3, this is 36. So we know 3 into 12 are 36. So we can write. Next here it is p and here it is p square. So to cancel, I have to write here p, 12p. So p into p is p square. So I get 36 p square. Now we have to understand that our division is not done. Since the divisor is 3p minus 1, so that 12p, the quotient, has to be multiplied with minus 1 as well. Only then the first step will be completed. So we'll multiply 12p with minus 1. So it is minus 12p. Now we have completed the first step. So according to the division rule, we know that here it will be minus and here also minus. Here it is plus 36p square, here it is minus 36p square. So both of them will be cancelled. Here you will find minus 12p is given in the question. This minus is already given in the question, and this is the formula's minus which follows from division rule. So this minus and this minus will make it plus. So ultimately this number will be plus 12p. So when it becomes plus 12p and this is minus 12p, so both of them will be cancelled. So we are left with plus 10, which is the remainder. So this is the first part, how we divide an algebraic expression or a polynomial. Next I have to verify this result. Now for verification, we have got one formula, which is dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This is the formula. So now we'll try to place all the values. Divisor. Here the divisor is 3p minus 1. Already all of you know, but still then this is called dividend. This is called quotient. This is the remainder. And this is divisor. So now we'll place the value divisor. Divisor is 3p minus 1. 3p minus 1. Here the quotient is 12p. Plus remainder. Remainder is 10. Now we'll multiply 12p with 3p. So 12p into 3p minus 1 into 12p. Distributive property, 12p with 3p I'll multiply first, then 12p with minus 1 plus 10. 12 into 3 is 36, p into p is p square. Minus 1 into 12p means minus 12p plus 10. Therefore, dividend equal to 36p square minus 12p plus 10, which you can see here also. 36p square minus 12p plus 10 is dividend. So we have verified it. Now let us see the second question, which is 144x cube plus x square minus 5x plus 6 divided 3x minus 2. Here if you see in the dividend part, we'll find there are 4 terms. First term, second term, third term and fourth term. So similarly, first of all, we'll look for the highest power variable in this expression. Here we find that first term is 144x cube, where x is the variable here. Second term we find x square, third term it is 5x, and fourth term there is no x. That means power of the variable in the fourth term will be 0. Now if we compare all these powers 3, 2, 1 and 0, we'll find that 3 is highest. So in the first step we'll try to cancel the highest power variable, which is 144x cube. Now the first number, integer number, is 6 and here it is 144. So we know 6 into 24 is 144. So we have cancelled the integer part. Now we are left with variable along with it. So here it is x. So if I multiply x square with x, it will give me x cube. Now here the division is not over, since 6x minus 2 together is the divisor, so therefore with minus 2 also I have to multiply 24x square. So 24 into minus 2 is minus 48, so it is minus 48 and then x square. Now the first step of the division is over. So accordingly here it will be minus sign, here also minus sign. It is plus 144x cube, here it is minus 144x cube. So both the numbers will be cancelled. Here you will find, since this minus sign is already given in the equation that we have come across, and here it is formulas minus, so this minus and this minus will make it plus. So now the number is plus 48x square. So plus 48x square plus x square, it will make it 49x square, and then one more term will bring it down, since in the divisor we have got two terms, 6x and minus 2. So here also one more term will bring to make it two terms. Now here you will find that the highest power variable is 49x square, that is x square part. So we will now try to cancel 49x square. Here if you look, you will find that 49 is not a multiple of 6. So how to cancel it? We can multiply that 6x with 49x by 6. So when we multiply 6x with 49x by 6, we'll find 6 and 6 will be cancelled. So we are left with 49x, and this x and this x will make it x square. So we get 49x square. So similarly, it is not done. We have to multiply this 49x divided 6 with minus 2 as well, which will give me minus. Now here you see 2 3s are 6. So ultimately we'll get 49x divided 3 when you multiply this with minus 2. Once again here it will be minus, here it will be minus. Plus 49x square minus 49x square will be cancelled. This minus and this minus will make it plus 49x divided 3. So we'll write plus 49x divided 3, and this minus 5x. So we'll subtract now. When you subtract this, we find nothing is there. That means denominator of 5x is 1. So if we take LCM, we find it is 3. So it is 49x, since 3 into 1 is 3. So 1 will be multiplied with 49, which is 49x. Minus 1 into 3 time is 3. So 3 into 5 is 15x. 49 minus 15, which is 34x by 3. So actually this is our remainder for the second step. This is our remainder, 34x by 3. So now we'll bring one more term. So that one more term is 6. So we'll bring that 6 here. Now here you see, here the highest power variable is 34x by 3. Since there is no variable, that means x to the power 0. So 1 and 0, when you will compare, we'll see that 1 is greater. So now we'll try to cancel 34x by 3. Once again we'll find that 34 is not a multiple of 6. So what we can do, we can multiply plus 17 by 9 with 6x, which will give 34x by 3. Plus, now here you will find, when we multiply minus 2 with 17 by 9, we'll find the answer is minus 34 by 9. So we'll write minus 34 by 9. Now we'll see, here there is a negative sign, here also negative sign. So plus 34x by 3 and minus 34x by 3 will be cancelled. Here it is minus 34 by 9 and here it is minus. So this minus and this minus will make it plus. So it is 34 by 9 plus 6. So here nothing is there, that means 1. So the LCM will be 9. 9 into 1 time 9, 9 into, and then 1 into 34 is 34. Plus 1 into 9 is 9, that 9 into 6 is 54. So 34 plus 54 is 88 by 9, which is our remainder. Now let us see how to verify this division. Here we know 144x cubed plus x square minus 5x plus 6 is called the dividend. This is quotient, which is 24x square plus 14x by 6 plus 17 by 9. Divisor is 6x minus 2 and the remainder is 88 by 9. So for verification, the formula all of you know now is dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So accordingly we'll place all the values here. Here the divisor is 6x minus 2, this is the quotient and this is the remainder. Now for verification, we'll go on multiplying all the values. So first 6x will be multiplied with all the three terms, that is 6x into 24 x square. Then 6x will be multiplied with 49x by 6. Then 6x will be multiplied with 17 by 9. So first part is over. Now next, with minus 2 I'll multiply all these three terms. So minus 2 into 24, minus 2 into 24 x square, minus 2 into 49 x by 6, and then minus 2 into 17 by 9 plus the remainder, which is 88 by 9. 6 into 24 is 144. X into x square is x cube. Here you will see this 6 and this 6 will be cancelled. So 49 x into x, which is 49 x square. Here you will see 6 and 9 can be cancelled, that is 3 2s are 6, and here you can write 3 3s are 9. So 2 into 17 is 34, so it will be 34x by 3 minus 2 into 24 is 48x square. Then here 2 can cancel 6 3 times, so it will be minus 49x by 3 minus 2 into 17 is 34 by 9 plus the remainder, which is 88 by 9. Now there is no such term with x cube as the variable, therefore 144 x cube will remain as it is. Now it is x square. Here we find that this is 49x square, here 48x square, so both the terms are like. So 49 minus 48, which is 1, so plus x square. Here it is plus because plus sign is with a greater number. 49 is greater than 48, so it is plus 1x square. So 1x square can be written as x square plus 34x, and here is 49 by 3x. So what we'll do, we can bring both the terms together. And now we are left with minus 34 by 9 plus 88 by 9, which equals 144x cube plus x square. Now here you will see, since the denominator is same, that means LCM will be 3 only. So it is 34x minus 49x. Then here also denominator is same, so it will be 34 plus 88 with a minus sign. Here you will see we have not put any sign here. Since here it is plus, you can make it plus, but here the negative sign is with the greater number, so ultimately we'll get negative, but for the time being let us put here plus. So this can be written as 144x cube plus x square. Now 34x minus 49x, which is 15x. Now since here the negative sign is greater, therefore it will replace this plus sign and we'll write minus 15x divided 3. Here you will find it is minus 34 and here it is plus 88, so plus sign is greater, so 88 minus 34 is 54, so plus 54 by 9, which equals 144x cube plus x square. 3 into 5s are 15, so minus 5x. 6 9s are 54 plus 6, which actually equal to the dividend given in the question. Hence verified. This much for today. Thank you. Jai Gurudev.